Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with some winnings that I received from Reyes here on YouTube and on Instagram. She is pretty crafty. I will try to link her Instagram, but I will definitely link her YouTube channel down here on the description below, so you guys could go over, show her some support if you are not following her yet. So anyway, I got this yesterday and I had to open it right away. So my camera's tilted sideways in my end, so hopefully I am able to show you guys this the proper way. Hopefully. Anyways, so these are some of the winnings that I got from her, and OMG. So when I saw them, I was like, oh, I love some of those. But then I thought they were pretty big. But now that I'm looking at them, they are a pretty good size. And she had a sticker reveal. I guess she, oh my gosh, someone on Amazon had contacted her and asked her if she would, do a collab with them, and she went ahead and did it. So these are some of the stickers that she received, and these are pretty nice, nifty ones. Look at this one. I think this is from It. I don't know all of the characters, I will be honest. And this one is my Nightmare movie. You guys can see, oops, sorry. This one's my Nightmare movie. Yeah, ooh, it's scary. So I do have a few of these, so I might be sharing the love of these stickers to other fellow crafters that I know that might like these type of stickers. So the Corpse's Bride. So anyway, so here are some awesome, amazing stickers, and thank you, Maria. Yay, I was so excited when I won. Oh, Beetlejuice. Anyway, this is Edward Scissorhands. It's just like a lot of cute little ones and scary ones, and yeah, these shiny ones are yeah, that's my terror movie. So anyways, I had to open the package as soon as I got it. Reason was because I was so excited. I wanted to see them. I was hoping they were not too big, and they are not too big. And yeah. Anyways, so she also sent me an extra little goodie, and oh my goodness, thank you, Maria. You did not have to. And she sent me a nice note, congratulating me, and she sent me this extra one. She had a rainbow collab with Angelica from Crafters Treats 2017. I hope I got that one right, Angelica. Oh my goodness, I am so bad with names. So anyways, they had asked me if I could be on the collab, and because I was in the process of moving and had already put most of my stuff away, or in the process of putting my stuff, I couldn't join them. I was so bummed out. And isn't this cute? Oh, so you guys are gonna see it. My way is this way. Sorry, you guys. So isn't this so adorable? Oh my goodness. OMG. Thank you, Maria. Again, you did not have to send me anything extra. And thank you guys for taking the time to watch. And like I said, I might be sending a few extra, sharing the extra love of these stickers to some fellow crafters that I believe like really scary movies. If not, hopefully they'll reshare them if they don't like them. So anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.